Hi all, welcome to the 0th lecture in CS203 course. This is going to be a short lecture just explaining the logistics of the course. The course website is on my homepage. The homepage's URL is given here, but the easiest way to find my homepage is to just Google search my name, possibly with IIT Kanpur. And then you can follow the links for CS203 to go to the course webpage. The task for today is to discuss this course handout, first course handout. I will explain the things here. This first course handout can also be found on the course website. So my suggestion would be to go to the course website first, and then you can have all the information. So let me just go through the first course handout. The first thing is the description. What are we going to do in this course? You might as well know that this is basically the study of probability theory. Probability theory has been very useful in computer science, and especially in the present time when machine learning, quantum computing has become the hot topics. Both of them rely heavily on probability theory. So there is a dedicated course on probability theory, and we will learn the basics as well as some applications of probability theory in this course. There are no prerequisites. I will just assume that you know what high school mathematics covers, simple concepts like that, and I'm sure you must have a course of probability in the high school also. So some basics from high school mathematics, and since you have done ESC 101, I will assume that you know a bit of programming. This much information or this much prerequisite will be enough for this course. Going to the next topic, course contents, I will let you read this in your spare time and move on to the time for this course. So you can see that because we are conducting the course in the online mode, there are lecture videos which are available on the MOOKit or Hello website, which you now know very well. So every week before the class time, I will upload the lectures of the day. And on Tuesday from 12 to 12:50, we will have the discussion hour. So this discussion hour is the only synchronous component of this course, in the sense that people who have good internet connection are expected to be present in this discussion hour. We will have a short quiz and resolve problems in this discussion hour. Notice that you have a discussion forum in the course management website, Hello. And I would strongly encourage you to ask questions on this discussion forum. This way, your doubts will be seen by other students also, and their doubts can also be cleared. So please feel free to ask questions on the discussion forum. That will be the best way to solve it. And then in the discussion hour, we can look at some important topics, we can resolve your doubts, and obviously there will be a short quiz. So that will be the purpose of the discussion hour. The discussion hour will happen every Tuesday from 12 to 12:50. In the first week, there is going to be no discussion hour. The discussion hours start from 8th September. The URL is given here. It's a Zoom link. The meeting, you can also join by the meeting ID and the passcode. So make sure that you can reach the website, you know the link, and attend the discussion hours every week. They start from 8th September and not from the 1st of September. The videos will be uploaded from 1st of September. And then the first quiz will be on the 8th of September. Okay, this is the website which you will be able to find. Again, there are no physical classes, and anyway, I don't believe in taking attendance. There will be no attendance. In terms of honesty practices and withdrawal, this will be according to the institute and department, and there is a link on the website which clearly explains these policies. So please go to the course website and see these practices which I will follow. I want to emphasize that it is very important that in this course, you don't subscribe to immoral practices. We will mostly be concentrated on learning probability theory, and there is no role of cheating or some other immoral practice in this course. The assignments are going to be simple, weekly quizzes to check whether you are reading everything every week, and then you will be done. Just attend classes, watch the videos, and you will be able to do well in this course. In terms of evaluation components, there are going to be 5 weekly quizzes because there are 5 weeks in the class, 5 weeks in this course. So that is 40% of the weight. There will be 2 assignments, 30% of the weight, and then there will be a final of 30%. At this point, I haven't exactly decided what is going to be the exact format of the final. The weightage of the final exam will be 30%, and this will be most important. The weightage is on continuous learning. So every week there will be a quiz which will be a decent percent, will be the 8% of total weight. So make sure that you attend the discussion. And people who do not have a good internet connection or something, they will be taken care of in a separate manner. I will send an email to them and their evaluation will be discussed with them. In terms of the reference book, there is no specific textbook. Most of the course notes will be posted on course homepage. They're actually already there. So if you want to go through them, feel free. Both the course notes as well as these videos will be helpful for you to read. So both of them complement each other. Don't just rely on one or the other. If you want to go into detail of some topics, these are the few books which might be helpful. In case you have doubt about some other topic, feel free to post on the discussion forum and I can give you more references. So this covers the first course handout. Again, any questions, start using the discussion forum. Thank you.